friends, welcome. We're meeting here in the kitchen and I'm sitting on my 10,000 euro bench. Welcome to this video in which I will show you how to place this suspension. This is an authentic Art Nouveau suspension, and this operation is combined with the placement of a rosace, which is this decorative item. And I think that in the meanwhile I will soon cover all the possible means of lighting. Here the light chandelier, and we'll make another one with a heavy chandelier, and then I think we're done. At least for the suspension, let's go. For the chandelier, first of all, we have to check on the ground if everything is working, because in case we are on the ladders, then it will be much more complicated. So we're starting to tighten the screws of all the metal pieces. Here there are two floors, one for holding the exterior part. Then we're making the good connections. For making the test, I'm using my test cable. Now I'm placing a new bulb.